Starting around 13 July 2023, Jasmy coin especially is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very huge. Jasmy generally has a really all-out market cap of $197,162,390, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,572,264 in an unobtrusive manner. This fundamentally makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, most certainly positioning at 138 in the digital money market in an essentially significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin basically be worth in 2023 in a very large manner? Is Jasmy coin a wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an every practical sense, significant way? Will Jasmy cost really outperform its unsurpassed high? Extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. These fundamentally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, or so they essentially thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost certainly is supposed to fundamentally cross an especially normal value level of $0.005, the normal least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $0.005 in an exceptionally huge manner. Besides, Jasmy can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.005, which truly is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value conjecture July 2023. The Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost for July 2023 may truly arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.004, while the by and large most extreme gauge cost certainly is around $0.004, which most certainly is very critical. The typical cost for Jasmy especially is truly anticipated to especially reach $0.004 in July 2023. Jasmy coin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could basically stretch around $0.004, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in August 2023 explicitly is $0.004 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.004, pretty further appearance. How starting around 13 July 2023 Jasmy coin certainly is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Jasmy coin could stretch around $0.005 in an exceptionally huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in September 2023 fundamentally is $0.004 with a typical cost of $0.004. Jasmy coin value expectation October 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin sort of is especially anticipated to really reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.004 in October 2023. Which sort of shows that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation, 2023, as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Jasmy cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.005, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to sort of be $0.005. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Jasmy cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.005, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.004 all through 2023, in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Jasmy coin value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin by and large is supposed to truly be at around a very least of $0.004 in a for the most part enormous manner. Jasmy coin cost can arrive at a very limit of $0.005, with the typical cost of $0.005 in United States dollars in a by and large significant way. Jasmy value estimate December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Jasmy coin basically is supposed to truly arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $0.005, showing how Jasmy coin value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the truly greatest cost for Jasmy coin could basically stretch around $0.005, which really is very critical. The Jasmy cost could basically arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.005, with the kind of typical cost around $0.005, exhibiting how moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in August 2023 generally is $0.004, with a typical cost of $0.004 in every practical sense. Further appearance how starting around 13 July 2023 Jasmy coin essentially is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in very most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. Jasmy coin exceptionally passed value examination and the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been basically diminished by 1.96% in its especially current worth in a by and large significant manner. On the off chance that we really look at the kind of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap generally is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin by and large is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, which generally is very critical. The Jasmy most certainly is down to nearly 2.1% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which really is genuinely critical. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every practical sense, past sort of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't all things considered feel that it would a productive resource in every way that really matters. Present moment further appearance. How Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost generally is supposed to fundamentally cross a sort of normal value level of $0.005. The normal for the most part least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy truly diminished by 40.924%, dispensing with an incredible truly normal amount of $0.003 from its extremely current worth in a genuinely large manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a sort of good sort of purchase and open door for especially speedy venture. Showing how the especially normal cost for Jasmy basically is generally anticipated to truly reach $0.004 in July 2023. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. The 90 days cost change truly is near 22